4:40 p.m. Sugar Grove and Maple Park around 4:45 p.m. Aurora, Montgomery and Elburn around 4:50 p.m. Canton Hills, North Aurora and Lily Lake around 4:55 p.m. St. Charles, Batavia and Geneva around 5 p.m. Bartlett, West Chicago, South Elgin, Wayne and Valley View around 5:05 p.m. Elgin around 5:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Caneville, Little Rock, Big Rock and Virgil. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 102 and 120. Interstate 90 between mile markers 55 and 56. This includes Aurora University, Elgin Community College, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunder